Kolhapuri chicken. Ingredients: 500 gram chicken, big pieces. For marination, salt, turmeric powder and kanda lasun masala. 1 tablespoon chopped tomato. For masala, 2 cups chopped onion, 1 tablespoon dry grated coconut, 2 teaspoon dhania, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, half teaspoon poppy seeds soaked in water, salt, red chili powder, Kashmiri mirch powder for color and half teaspoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon ginger pieces, 2 tablespoon garlic cloves and 1 tablespoon chopped tomato. Chicken stock and chopped coriander. For chicken stock, take some chicken pieces, add 2 cups water and boil in microwave for 7 to 8 minutes. Take this water as stock. Mix salt, turmeric, masala and tomato in chicken pieces and marinate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add 1 teaspoon oil, spray water, cover and microwave on high power for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 minutes standing time, remove from oven and keep aside this partially cooked chicken. For masala, take onion in glass tray, add 2 teaspoon oil, microwave on high power for 5 to 6 minutes to make it light brown. Stir in between once after 3 minutes. Mix coconut, dhania, jeera and sesame in this fried onion. Microwave again on high power for 2 minutes. Now to this roasted masala, mix all remaining masala ingredients and make fine paste in mixer. Masala paste is ready. Now to this half cooked chicken, add this paste, some stock, then cover and microwave again for 5 to 6 minutes till the chicken is completely cooked. After 10 minutes standing time, remove from oven and garnish with coriander. Kolhapuri chicken is ready. You can serve this Kolhapuri chicken as it is in thick gravy or add stock to make thin gravy. For Kolhapuri mutton, use mutton pieces instead of chicken. Mutton will take more time to cook. For making hotel style Punjabi chicken Kolhapuri, use more quantity of tomato and less quantity of chopped onion, and add cashew nuts and cream in gravy.